In this video, I'm doing a little cooking, so if you're interested in finding out what I'm making, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. And you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I'm continuing on with my easy summer meals. Now today I thought I'd cook something very simple. Stick around to see how I prepare this meal. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm using. I have some pan sausage that was, my husband had a pig killed. I'm using some ragu. And I'm also using ground meat. And I'm using this curly or spiral pasta, and I will be using different seasonings, and I'll show you as I use those. But I've already put the boiling water on and put a little salt in it to put the pasta in. I'm also going to add a little drop of olive oil in the water where the pasta is. Now I've already added the ground meat, half and half as ground meat and sausage in here. I do that for a different taste or a texture in the meat when you're fixing your spaghetti. So now I'm going to start adding my seasonings. This is paprika. And I don't know how much I put in there. I put into how I feel like it should look. I'm adding chili powder. Some oregano, some Italian seasonings, some Mrs. Dash, the original flavor, and some Mrs. Dash, the tabletop blend. you didn't know, my husband has a heart issue and he can't use a lot of salt. So I try to get things with no salt in them. And I'm adding some nice garlic. And then I'm going to add a little of the no salt. It's really low in sodium. Okay, now the pasta is done and the meat is also brown. All crumbed up, looks very good. Next I'm getting my colander, which I have a new one that I purchased at home. The one that you put over the sink. Loving it. I was looking for a metal one. I'm still content. I'm gonna look for a metal one anyway. I'm adding tomato paste because my husband likes it, the sauce thick, and he likes it to be like in medium, thick and a little runny. So that's why I add tomato paste to the ragu. So I'm gonna fix this plate. I've already fixed the side salads. They're already on the table. So I forgot to buy garlic bread and didn't even buy any garlic butter. But here's the finished product. An easy summer meal, quick for the kids, not a lot of hassle. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a comment down below. And this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying you be blessed.